Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So these items here I thrifted at the Goodwill. I might not have, I don't even know. I think it's about, these were from last summer. So I'm just showing them to you because I only decorate with the blue chinoiserie when we're decorating for chinoiserie. And then it came with this beautiful came with the vase and this beautiful piece right here. So this was like a set, and what a bargain it was. So I have some florals because I just want to do a floral arrangement here, which will be absolutely beautiful for Valentine's Day. And then these are the flowers that I'm using. Now let me go ahead and move you up a little bit so that you can see the arrangement when it's done. All right, so like I showed you before, so we have, this is called Queen Anne's lace. I absolutely love Queen Anne's lace, okay? Better than their baby's breath. This looks more realistic to me. It's gorgeous. And then I got some pink flowers, but I do have these two lambs here. I'm not sure if I did get this at Dollar Tree. I might have, or I might have gotten these at Dollar General, but I'm not sure. And then the florals did come from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd stick with pink because I don't normally buy red roses. I think I may start though, but I lean more toward the softer colors. I don't know, I don't even lean toward yellow, but I think I'm gonna start using all those colors that I don't normally lean on. Just because we should just change it up once in a while. So I hope that, I'm sorry, what I mean to say is, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Also, I have 3 channels. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link them below. I can't talk today. What's going on? So I'm going to link them below in the description box because I would love for you to join me or to subscribe to my channels there. Now, let me show you how I arrange my flowers. Now, I think I'm going to wait for the lamb's ear. So we're just going to start by putting in the pink flowers. Now, these are not all the same. I could see it already. So, let's see. So we have 2 of this kind. And then these are more peachy like. I don't know. They're like pinkish peach. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the center there. And then we have these. So these are like pink in the middle, and then they have the white on the side there. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the center as well, like right there. I'm just trying to like even these out. Okay, before we start, we want to put the baby's breath. I want to put the baby's breath in the center. Okay, and then I want to put the lamb's ear, 1 on each side. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I am loving it. So this would make an excellent arrangement for Valentine's Day. And of course with the matching piece, looks absolutely beautiful. And that was like pretty easy, guys. So I hope that, you know, you saw what I did. I try to keep everything even. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.